How to turn off notification of stories from friends in Snapchat, of course. Today, guys, I will teach and show you how to do this. Just make sure that you subscribe and hit the like. So let's start. First thing is to open, as usually, Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is open, you go here and click open. Then go to this setting and click. Then you will search for notification option, this, then click. Then as you see, stories from friends, you will just turn off these options, story from friends or notification of story from your friends. You will just click here on this place like this, and it will work with you. And that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.